traveling is very expensive, and so I needed to find some ways to make some more money while I move around Colombia. So my friend Alexandra here, she's an expert at making Venezuelan style empanadas, and she's going to teach me how to become an empanada salesman, how to make an empanada from scratch. So we're just going to the grocery store. Yeah. Exciting stuff. Okay, so this is called the Mercolanta.
The best beef in Colombia. The beef is, the quality is so good.
This is the best beef in Colombia at Mercolanta.
Yeah.
On the 70.
¿Qué tienen para
Pechuga.
Yeah, only doesn't mean 12.
For the whole pechuga, it's 12,000.
Yeah, one for 1 kilo. 2 pounds.
So yeah, that's three US$ for all of this chicken breast. Alright, so we have the pechuga and the carne. What's happening here?
I am put water because I need the meat cook compression, only 1 hour. And the chicken cook for 1 hora 30 minutos. Yeah, the meat this and make this. And I need to make the equal with all the chicken. Okay, this is the meat with only water and no more. And this is the chicken equal in little piece. Here is onion and pepper, and onion pepper in grunois. So grunois is the quart. Okay. Is middle onion and middle pepper and middle 1 for the meat.
1 for the chicken and 1 for the beef. Okay.
Yeah. And later you're only using this spoon. And put the salt and the equal quantity for the chicken. Paprika is for the color and for the season. You put 1 little and later you remove. No more, no need anymore.
That's it?
Yeah, it's super easy. Yeah, I am sure. No need anymore.
And so I won't have to live on the streets if I sell enough empanadas?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
It's the pan for the pretty
pan.
girl empanadas.
Yeah. This flour is so famous in my country. It's the best.
It's the best.
I am sure. Some people only using salt or garlic, but I am using salt, sugar brown.
Brown sugar.
Brown sugar, yeah. This sugar make the flour more crunchy. Later fried, and this is good. So I like this. Más o menos 1 litro, and you only make this.
Kneading.
Kneading?
Yeah.
Is
It's needy, like your ex-boyfriend.
Well, here is the meat ready, and then
Alright, here's the shop. Here's where the magic happens.
yeah.
We're gonna cook up some empanadas. Venezuelan style empanadas. What's the difference between Venezuelan and Colombian empanadas?
All is different.
Everything is different.
The flour here in Colombia, general, make the arepa, the empanadas with the core.
With corn.
Yeah, the person make the flour. I am buy the mix, the flour.
Oh, okay, so you're buying a mix instead of making it yourself.
Yeah. So this is the first difference. The second difference is inside. You buy one empanada Colombian and say, oh please, I want one empanada with meat. But really you eat and inside is more rice or potato. And later close this. I am using 1 bottle of wine. It's ready. So, do you want chicken or beef?
Beef.
Only protein, no potato, no rice. Only the meat, and you can say the vegetables for the season. No need more. You're close. And later with this, I am make the form. Close good, and it's ready for the fry.
Okay.
And you're put here for maybe 2 minutes. This is shawarma.
Shawarma.
It's
From
a
over here.
food Lebanese from Venezuela. It's so good. It's with bread Arabian, chicken and pork, tomato, onion, what is the name? Hummus.
Hummus, yeah, it's Lebanese food. This is the Setenta, the 70, and there's people from all over here selling their food, their artwork.
More food Venezuela right now.
Many from Venezuela, and this
Yeah.
guy's selling chips in a bottle.
Yeah, and cactus. And in this way is the artisans.
The artisans.
Yeah. This guy is
Delicious empanadas.
Yeah.
Oh, I'm a terrible salesman. Delicioso empanadas. Por favor. And how much do you sell one empanada for?
3,000 pesos is
3,000 pesos.
$1 maybe, menos $1.
$1. $1 for a delicious empanada, and they're really good. You
A la orden.
a la orte.
Yeah.
A la orte. A la orte.
But the truth is
They don't care when I sell it. This isn't working out so far. I think I'm gonna starve in this country if I don't learn how to sell the empanadas. The pretty girl cart to make the empanadas costs about $22 US for everything. And how much does it cost for all the gas?
for the gas, I am by the first time 140 because I know have this.
Right.
So 70 for this, 17 more for full.
Wow.
For this paper, I am
80.
80.
So for an investment of about $30 to maybe $40, you can start your own business here in Colombia, selling any kind of food you want. But empanadas are what she's famous for here. Here we go. See. All right, let's do the taste test. Look at that. Delicious. Get your empanadas here. Gringo selling empanadas, and there's nobody around.
Did you put this name
I
in the
don't-
video?
Yeah.
Gringo selling
Yeah.
empanadas?
Do you think I'm gonna get the job?
Yeah, I think so.
No, I'm not a pretty girl, so it doesn't work, unfortunately.
Maybe you're the next time need 1 liter dress.
Well,
the people can
maybe
see
if I get a dress, yeah, if I
your legs.
I can show my legs, and then I'll be more beautiful, and I can sell more empanadas. It's very crispy. It's very crispy, the shell, and when you bite into it, it makes a nice crackling crunch, and yeah, it's really good. Empanadas. Someone, por favor.
Hola, hola. Un poquito de arte de la 70, un poco de macramé. Vamos a poner unas piedras del Amazonas, un poco bonito, arte y cultura.
He say this is one little art in the 17 in the street. I am make macrame, and in the finish I am put strands from the Amazonia. So it's cool. Do you know
Amazonian style.
Yeah, because he's traveled so much for the Amazonia, and he's have in this place so many strands, and here more strands. The strands he stole you from the Amazonia.
De todas maneras, le agradezco mucho que me lo haya informado. Yo sí sabía que estaba alguien en el alma. Porque yo no lo había vuelto a ver. Y él era constante aquí.
Very interesting place to work. My first day on the job is so exciting. Empanadas. Well, I'm absolutely pooped from that long day of work, so I'm gonna go grab some cervezas with my amigo. These places here, these bodas and licores, they're actually liquor stores, but they're liquor stores that you can drink at. Let's drink. Woo! I worked really hard tonight, you know, selling empanadas, so I need a beer.
Que suena muy estupendo. Si quieres le subo un poquitico a los decibeles, a los decibeles. Mira como esta rima aquí se viene muy bien. Buscando los billetes hasta de $100, euros y hasta, pero bolívares no, esa vaina no vale nada. Estoy buscando por aquí para comerme hasta una empanada.